What is going on, everyone? It's that time of the week again where we are completely getting into degen territory because we are building the big dreams with small money 100x completely degenerate altcoin portfolio. So that means that none of this is financial advice. Don't try this at home. This is literally degenerate and can end in a total loss of the portfolio. But it's a lot of fun. It's going to educate us a lot. We're looking at super interesting stuff, and we are going to go over the current market situation where we stand right now. We are going to look at what is expected for altcoins next. We're going to look at the portfolio, how it's doing at the moment. We're looking at news for all the altcoins that we already have in the portfolio, and then we are going to discuss your altcoin picks. And from those altcoin picks, we are going to select some of them and put them into a vote of where we are allocating the next $50 for this portfolio. It's going to be real dollars, it's going to be my dollars, so that you do not have to make the biggest mistakes and can see what is actually happening with that money over the time, and we can prove something. We can actually have some really amazing, great analysis with that. But all of that right after the intro. So, a lot of people already here in the chat, so make sure to make noise for the algorithm and therefore smash up the like button right now, subscribe to the channel for more altcoin content sure to come out, and tick the little bell to always get notified whenever I start a live stream or upload a video. That is very important. Now, we have energy here, we have R3A here. I know exactly what you want, R3A. What is going on? Russ Gould is also here. It's had its release, pump, retrace, accumulation, and may be ready to take off. I don't know what exactly, because that is not written in the chat. Omi Child is here. What's going on? Long time no see. Omi Child, amazing to see you. How are the three little ones? Thanks for the king, though. Energy, hey, what's going on? The Mexica is also here. US gang. I'm hodling My Lady, Wojak, and Bojack. Okay, so these are meme coins, I think. And Tito is here, 420. Great deals everywhere. And Felipe, hey, my rare hodler, what's going on? You see all the rare hodlers here. If you're not a rare hodler yet, you can become one by becoming a channel member. Not really expensive, gets you into my Telegram group. That Telegram group absolutely only for exchange and the whole thing for supporting me. But from time to time there are some cool giveaways happening, so why not try it out? Anyways, no one is forced to. That is the secret one. But hey, everyone to each their own, right? So let's check out where we are in the market before we are going to the really degen part. And for that purpose, I have a cute little rainbow here for you guys from blockchaincenter.net. You can check it out on your own. Hey, Far, what is going on? Welcome to the stream. So what does the rainbow chart say? The rainbow chart says if we are in max bubble or basically at the fire sale, right? That's the upper and the lower band. And it's going with stock to flow kind of uptrend based on previous lower and higher prices. And we can see here that with the exception of the last bull cycle, where I also made the argument that the last cap at around 69,000 was actually too low, we have always reached the maximum bubble territory along the time, right? And also our bear market bottom has turned out to be normal, has reached the blue band. So we are right now at a territory where we would say, and you cannot see it obviously, so let's get the chat right here. We are now at a territory where we would say, okay, it's accumulation time, right? So these colors here, we have left the absolute buy zone, but we are in accumulation, and after that comes a still cheap part, according to this chart. That's obviously also not financial advice, but it's a good indicator to take into our long-term strategy where we want to sell stuff, right? Because, I mean, right now we see that we are in the long-term view, in the 4-year cycle picture, actually on track and still in the accumulation zone. This looks like a pretty big fat bottom before we go into the parabolic phase, and therefore we are still in the accumulation zone, and I agree technically with that. But now is the big but. That sounds weird, but there is a big fat so how do you say this, correction possibility, yeah, let's put it like that. And it's turning out to be like that right now. So we see here that we have for Bitcoin a red candle at 42,000 at the moment, but we have been correcting a little bit. We came as low as 40,000, and we have a negative target of 39,800 at the least, and we have a weekly close coming in 4 hours. That is important to note, right? Weekly close. We are massively overbought. Now let's get the chat back, so I have to maneuver here. We are massively overbought for Bitcoin on the weekly, and that screams for a correction of the harder sorts to the downside, which would rip all altcoins apart as well. Also, we still have a CME gap at around, from 39,755 up to 40,390. We only wicked to it, but we didn't close it. So history tells us that with an somewhat 80% chance, we're going to fill that gap, meaning price action is coming down. Okay, good. But what about the altcoins? And guys, if you want to discuss altcoins, already make sure to shill them right now. We have 20 people here. Smash the like while shilling. That is very important. For me at least, to me at least. Maybe not to you, but to me. Okay, here's something super interesting. You remember that we have been talking about altcoins. I've modified a little bit what we're looking at, because this is the aggregated altcoins, all of the altcoins. It's called the others chart. It's the one without the top 5 and without stable coins. And that is, I think, what we need for the degenerate stream, right? We need the altcoins that are not the biggest market cappers, right? So all of those degen coins, so to say, obviously there are also some bigger ones in it, right? XRP is outside of the top 5, if I'm not mistaken. But we see here we are not even at a $200 billion market cap. So that is good, right? Because that means there is a lot of room to grow for altcoins. But we have been breaking out here like we have been breaking out the last time. And what is even more interesting to that is, let me quickly go out of the logarithmic, because that is what is necessary to get the target. If we are, let me refresh, because TradingView doesn't let me draw here. Oh man, now I went back to the let me go to others chart here. Okay, so I drew this right now, which is the price target for this move. Okay, so the price target for this move on breakout would be testing this line here, right? Or actually, did it throw me out of the logarithmic? Yeah, it did. Let me just correctly. So here now, that is not correct. The price target actually, and that is what I wanted to show you, is this breakout, and we reached it. We actually reached this price target right now. So that is also implies a correction. Yeah, I mean, it implies that we have reached this target and form a new chart pattern. But that's it. Jonas, what is going on? Myria Hodler. Wes, what's up? Nico, hey, what is going on? Carolina Hi-Fi. Hey, Ted Harbor here. Welcome, my number 1. My first ever rare hodler. Yeah, so that is basically what implies to us that there could be a correction. Why was I in the logarithmic though? It's getting even more interesting here. So let's look at this. Let's take let me find where the tool is. Let's take the where we are. So if we take this and compare it to this, we should be somewhere here, right? And so let's take maybe that part where we are supposedly somewhere here and measure it to the top, yeah, somewhere here. Okay, and copy that here. Well, doesn't that really fit? Doesn't that really fit even our resistance line? I mean, let's say we have confluence here, which we have, right? Bearish retest, drop down, flip above, test it as support, another support, failed support, get wrecked, and now we are coming up to get this again, right? Retest, fail, so here's our pullback, yeah, break above, retest as new support, and boom, lift off, completely to the moon, right? This actually fits really, really well. This fits so well. I mean, no matter if you like see it from here or from here, it kind of fits, right? So this would be if we copy this move once more, this classical bull market move, right? And that was also after the halving, right? So we could be also here and move sideways or something like that. That was after the halving. But why did I take this after the halving? Because I compare it to the breakout of this pattern that reminds me of the breakout of this pattern, right? So this is all really not substantiated. Yeah, how do you say this? Like this is like a fortune teller, right? But we still can compare it, and we see volume is coming back. So we had decreasing volume implying reversal, volume is coming back. So this is the reason why we're looking at altcoins and why Degen altcoins should be going up. Now, how much up? If this all were true or was true, and we are here and we are going there, we would be looking at least, if we are copying the move there, we're looking at an 8 from here, from where we are, without a pullback, at an 8.2x, actually a 9x, because 1x is staying at the same price, right? So it's a 9x from where we are for every altcoin, like the entire altcoin space. If the money that is flowing in was evenly distributed, we would be looking at a rough 9.2x, so almost a 10x. Where would this take us? A 10x would take us to $1.9 trillion altcoins without the top fivers, without Bitcoin, without Ethereum, without, I think, Solana, and what else is in the top 5? BNB is not anymore in the top 5, right? I keep forgetting. Ugian Tashi is here. Greetings. What's going on? Wes is here. Wes was here already, but he's asking when Omi to the moon. I cannot tell you. Maybe the moon has to crash into Omi. Caro is here as well. More on what's going on. So, okay, enough with that. One more indicator though, and that is USDT dominance on the daily chart. Why is this important? Because it shows us if money is flowing out of crypto or into crypto. Right now, since 12th of October 23, it's flowing massively into crypto, but it has bounced. So another reversal indicator, right? So more macro-ish, we do have I cannot draw again, so let's refresh. Am I still in this chart? Yes, thanks TradingView. So on the more macro, now we are in the weekly, by the way, but I want the daily really to show this. On the more macro, we are bouncing, right? We have bounced again, and now we could see more upside for USDT, US Tether dominance. If it's going up, means people are more in Tether. If it's going down, it means people are spending Tether on alts or on whatever, like on Bitcoin. So that could be an indicator to say, okay, it bounced, maybe we're going up, but don't make any mistakes here and say, oh, Patient Hodler said, please stay out of the market. I don't say that. If you are not in the market, you're making a big mistake because it could be going into any direction. But if you're fully in the market, you could also be making a big mistake because you could miss out on a 30, 40, 50% discount on the altcoins. So here is really, let's monitor it closely, because it could go this way and Bitcoin corrects hard and altcoins correct harder, or we're rolling over and it goes this way down to the next target here, and that would be a 15% move, and a 15% move out of this could be a couple of 100% move out of our Degen altcoins. Okay, so yeah, why do we know that we are in an absolute degenerate season? Because of this. It's shitcoin roulette season, right? So it's like literally the phase. It has started. Let me remind you guys where it has started with. It has started with Pepe. I mean, probably it has started with whatever other lower altcoin that didn't make the big news. But this is not coffee, by the way. It's late. That's tea. But it has started with Pepe. And then, oh my god, Pepe, and everyone has to go into Pepe and FOMO into Pepe and I don't know what. And then there were the other altcoins like Papecoin and Pepe SpaceX and I don't know what. And then Dogecoin and SHIB also made a move because it was meme coin season, right? And then we had the Bonk. Now Bonk is the best example for no utility, but in an ecosystem where it gets a lot of attention, and meme coins are a narrative right now, and narratives are what drives the market. So this guy here put a little bit of money into Bonk. Actually, if you go way back on this guy, he's like showing a couple of I think he put in $5,000, and it doubled and doubled and went to the moon completely. He's also long with a 6x leverage, and he has a 10.8 million profit out of that. This is complete, and people are people are absolutely begging this guy to take profits now, right? Did you check Astro PPX? Yeah, on the last live stream we checked Astro PPX, right? But it could be a good one. So what's now? Everyone is in search for the next bonk, the next big thing. And what does it show us? It needs to be an ecosystem underlying this meme coin, and you need to be very, very early on a very small market cap for such a meme coin. So we need an L1 that takes completely off, that has a meme coin with an appealing narrative and some community on it, right? So some people are saying it's going to be Cork Inu, right? On Avalanche, because Avalanche is promising, and yeah, so everyone wants this, right? But if you're looking at it, a lot of people also get wrecked on others. I mean, with a 6x leverage on a coin that could be rug pulled or get completely dumped, or I don't know what's happening, can also give you this in negative, right? So you could get really, really wrecked on something like that. So please make your due diligence, only invest what you can afford to lose. And that means if you have leverage, you need to be able to lose a multiple of the sum that you're that you're gambling. Let's put it like that you're gambling, right? Raskud says it had its release pump, retrace, accumulation, and maybe ready to take off. I think you need to write the name of the coin that you want to shill us out, because YouTube is literally, I think it's literally yeah, some comments are getting, oh, I see. So we see here, interest in your view on Liquid Protocol, LP on DEX tools, and someone posted the wallet address, or you posted the wallet address, or the contract address, right? So LP, okay, so Liquid Protocol. Let's do this in a second when we're looking at alts, right? Yeah, the more you look into meme coins, the more you realize every community has their own Randy. Okay, that was funny. I'm not going to comment more on this one. I mean, everyone has, yeah, probably, and every community probably has their absolute degenerate patient hodler or something like that, but it is what it is, guys. Oh, by the way, we have over 25 people already here, so make sure to smash up the like button to shill this video to more people. And if this video gets shilled to more people, then that means that we are absorbing more people to discuss with us and get degen with us. But anyways, that's completely, yeah. So let's by the way, Andrea Omigeko, hey, from Frankfurt. Um, the more you look into meme coins, yeah, I had that. It was funny and the truth. Yeah, it was really funny. Okay, let's look at our portfolio. Here we are. So let me get the chat to the side. Let's put the chat on very small scale for now, so that we really can see. We need to find the right place for me also. Let's get my face also very small. So yeah, here we go. So we got wrecked on our our VRA DCA. We're down almost 17%, which theoretically would make me want to put just a DCA more into VRA, right? Because now we get it on a discount compared to before. What's saving our portfolio is the community pick of Myria and Bumper on the first stream. So we're up 31% on Myria and 24% on Bumper. Right now, though, we have a nice appealing distribution in our portfolio of equal parts because Verasity just took a downturn, right? Yeah, so this is the performance of our portfolio. Let's put it on the last week. I mean, we see from last stream. So I bought after the last stream, which is why we have this pump up still in here. That's just me allocating $50. So today we're going to allocate more $50, and I can urge you only once again, don't try this at home. I'm putting my own money at absolute risk to prove a point here, which we will see in a year from now if it worked or not. Right now we are in the plus, and it's exactly $6.76, about 6%. Yeah, even on this ongoing pullback. Yeah, so we have some coins popping up also, and that's actually a good thing that we did make a watch list. So just let me get some thoughts here on the portfolio before I let you guys show me the stuff. And that is that usually from my own analysis with all that potential pullback thing, I would say, hey, why not put $50 right now in stablecoin and wait? Yeah, but obviously I know you guys are degenerate and you will have your own your own voting. So I always go in out of 4 picks that we put up for a vote in the end, I will go with one of my own, and 3 are coming from the chat, and then you guys are able to vote. So I will either put up for more Veracity or to put in to go with buy stable and wait until pullback, right? Yeah, but because for now we do not, if we have a nasty pullback right now, we only have the $50 that we have today, right? So that is always something that you have to keep in mind, and it's actually a good lesson to learn already if we have those pullbacks, because we only have 50 now. Had we put the VRA into stable, we would be able to buy with 100 now. Okay, so let's look at the watch list also, what we have there. And so on the watch list, obviously, there's a couple of coins that came from the last streams. And now I'm going to move my face back because we want to see what did well and what didn't do so well. So this is sorted by, is this sorted by market cap? No, it's sorted by market cap. Okay, so Chainlink, Vechain, and Celestia and stuff like that and BitTensor is out of the question because it's too big to do a 100x, right? So here we see the market cap is all 1 billion. Even Render and Akash Network are too big. But we had a lot of stuff recommended, like Anchor, Pendle, Mubi, and Mubi, by the way, 250% like in the last 7 days. So Mubi was actually a pretty good call. I don't know who was that. Maybe was Justin or someone of you called that, which was insanely good call. We didn't buy it, and that's how it is, right? Shrapnel. So let's look actually who is losing out like big time since the last stream. So one of the coins recommended in the last stream was Avidly, and Avidly got rug pulled. Or it actually didn't get rug pulled. That's unfair. Actually, Avidly I think it got a token migration, so that's why this is down and it has a new token, something like that. But I mean, it's still annoying because if you have $50 or something in such a coin, will you still go through a migration that costs, like, if it's built on ETH, for example, like $20 fees, right? It's absolutely crazy. Yeah. Let's see the chat quickly. Nico says, has anyone looked into WSM Wall Street memes? Looks like they have a good community. Sounds good. Is it like Wall Street bets? Yeah, congrats on the $5 profit. Absolutely amazing, right? So this profit, this portfolio is now 2 weeks old and has been basically started to buy 2 weeks ago, so more or less at the current local high. So we're still fine, right? With all the look at these pullbacks here on the coins, right? Senate had a 30% pullback, Bonsai 26%, Little Lab 20%, Verasity 17%, GMX 15%, Octoken 15%. So all of these would have been pretty bad, right? So all of these would bring us into the red, but also means here we have Gari, for example. Yeah, Gari token, which some people were requesting, GFL -10, and so on, SDAX 10, Neura AI, and so on. So a lot of tokens have taken a hit, but there are also some that are up. Mubi, Celestia, Akash Network, Stacks is up. Cornucopias 20% up, Myria 20% up, which we have in the portfolio. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Now let's start with your altcoin picks, because this list needs to be improved. But you can also tell me to look at the ones that we already had. Like and while you're doing that, we're going to quickly look at some news also for the coins in the portfolio already. So we have Myria, Veracity, and Bumper, right? And some of you have these in your private, in your own portfolios. By the way, Myria is up 5% in the last hour, so that is also degen, a little bit of degen. Yeah, so let me just quickly take out the chat so we see. So no, actually I don't have to do that because it can stay here. So first of all, Veracity is in the top crypto projects by social activity, together with all of the meme coins, which is not too bad. Like Algorand is there, and Bonk is there, and Chip, and stuff like that, right? But Veracity is also there. This is a good sign for a big community, or a big community portfolio. Yeah, and then, okay, so that for Veracity, which is always good if you have altcoins, that you look on the Twitter page of this altcoin, right? So you see a lot, like for example, they're doing an AMA in Portuguese, Brazil. They have like 618,000 accounts in the social media. They have been in the top 5 coins on KuCoin, together with Bob, with Insp, with Revel, and with Ator. Yeah, stuff like that, right? So yeah, and then Myria, for example, we see here over the past few weeks, blockchain gaming has seen significant growth and demand for Myria nodes. That has spiked, right? We've just increased the base price and ramp mechanism for Myria node licenses to bring more value to existing node operators and drive further demand for Myria, which is good, right? But keep in mind that Myria node operators, they are getting Myria coins that they can then sell into the market. They have a Myria node is about $5,500 at the moment, and is producing coins, right? And they can sell it into the market. Yeah, and then like there are perpetual trading now open, Myria on Bybit. Okay, so everything's gearing up, right, for stuff like that. Yeah. So Myria and games and so on, absolutely narrative. Yeah. Then Metacade. Metacade is also bringing out stuff all the time. It's a coin that I like to look at. That would be also one of my picks. Yeah, new games, mainnet launch. So they had their mainnet launch just recently, but they have a lot on the roadmap coming up. So there are a lot of things going on for Metacade, ticker MCade. Yeah. Okay, so but now to you guys. I think that's it. Did I have mentioned Bumper? No, I didn't. So Bumper has a thing going on that they went to Arbitrum L2. They have something going on as LSDFi. So a lot of stuff going on for Bumper as well. Now let's get back to our stuff. So now let's let's see. There was LP, I think it was LP, something like LP from Russ. So let's see. Yeah, Liquid Protocol. I think that's it. What he was asking for. So let's look at Liquid Protocol as a first one, and where can we put the chat can actually stay here. Just needs to be a little bit more smaller, and my face as well. There we go, and we can make the chat a little bit long. No, we can't. We cannot make it longer. Okay, so there we go. So LP, let's see. LP has not pumped throughout the year. In fact, it's at the worst price since ever. As you can see here, since its beginning. But is it relatively new? Yeah, it has been born in October. So always check that when you see this, because this looks like it has been born in a bull run, but in fact it has been born in a bear market. So Liquid Protocol sitting at 77 cents and a market cap of $772,000 with apparently, and so this is a CMC team cannot verify this, but apparently there is only 1 million LP tokens in existence. That is interesting. So fully diluted apparently. Now, let's see what it does. No, that's live data. Let's see what it does. So Liquid Protocol is an innovative platform allowing users to deploy contracts on a free Remix-like site and borrow liquidity from its treasury, generating passive income that is distributed to token holders. With pre-coded upcoming updates, LP offers a cost-effective liquidity funding alternative without locking funds. It solely earns from project trading volume, imposing no taxes and launch projects. Okay, so it's liquid staking. Okay, so let's look at the website of that. Okay, so that symbol reminds me of something, but I can't quite figure what it is. Yeah, let's get the chat bigger. This symbol doesn't matter. Okay, so LP. Let's see. So yeah, so it seems to be like a lending protocol. And keep in mind, so the website doesn't really have much going on. Okay, here's the white paper available. So, oh, there is the phases. That's the most important thing, because that will determine the narrative, right? So the project will consist of 3 phases as advertised in introduction. These are liquid provided by treasury, liquidity provided by lenders, liquidity marketplace. Okay. Yeah, so it's like it's a concept, right? But I mean, you can say it's up a little bit in volume, but it's super small. Like it's super. Let's put it on the watch list. It's super small. It's an absolute degen pick, right? The exact thing that we like, and you can only buy it for now on Uniswap. Okay, you can only buy it on Uniswap. Yeah, so that is that. If you want to buy it, I mean, the gas fees are really high. If you buy a coin that is built on Ethereum on Uniswap, you can buy it with MetaMask, and so on. So they have everything. Let's look at the Twitter as a final one, then move on to the next coin so that we get something done. So it's located on the Bahamas. Yeah, okay. I mean, why not? So they've posted something yesterday. They're not posting very frequently, which I do not like. I like to see something every day, no matter what, even if they retweet or so, right? Hey there, we are working on lots of stuff as advertised on the roadmap posted a week ago. We are sorry if this takes long. However, we are actually building, not copying our product. This is the time it takes. Sounds like Veve, right? Sounds like Ecomi and Veve, but yeah. Do we really need one more of those is the question. Yeah, so this is like, hey guys, there's not much going on. Nevertheless, playbook for deploy is only done. The full version of it, explaining every function on our deployer, blah blah blah. So yeah, promise, right? So it's a promise, but it's only around 2 months. So why not? We can give them the benefit of a doubt. So sounds like a good degen play. The only problem is that we can only get it on Uniswap v2. That's the only problem here. Let's see. And if I miss the token that you shilled, then just spam it again, right? That's exactly what we need. So WSM, Wall Street Memes, is the next one. Sounds like a meme coin, right? I mean, this meme in the name. Why not? There we go. This is the chart. Okay. That is pretty down. Okay, so but it's also only around, at least on CoinMarketCap, since September, and it has launched. It got a little bit fired up, and then so what it is built on? It's on Ethereum. It's not the Ethereum meme season, but it can happen still. But it's not the season at the moment. Also, it's available, which is way better. It's available on Wobi, OKX, Gate.io, MaxC, and so on. So that is going on, and it has a $44 million market cap, which is kind of big for such a meme coin, right? But on the other hand, it's also down and hasn't really pumped yet, and it hasn't really crashed. So it's around. It has a website. It has a Twitter. So let's check it out, right? So that is Wall Street Memes. It's on Bitmart, so it's on a couple of exchanges, and the liquidity is in the millions, 28 million, so not too shabby, right? Yeah. So let's check out the website of Wall Street Memes. Oh, it's in German. Let me put this in English. Okay, so it's apparently it seems like a news site. Research shows running away from but it's made like a news site. Away from responsibilities burns more calories. That's actually great, right? So let's see. News. Okay. What's the news? Research shows running away from responsibility burns more calories. Okay, for sale. COP delegates fly 50,000 miles to agree fossil fuels are bad. I actually like that. That is super funny. Let's look a little bit more on these. Man claims E3 cancellation has given him time to reflect. Still spends 18 hours a day gaming. Well, he has 6 other hours to reflect, right? Elon Musk's new Freedom Squad features Alex Jones and Andrew Tate. Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, sounds really good. So I like that. I mean, to be honest, the website is kind of okay. Okay, the token has a burn mechanism, right? Seems like it. Let's see. Total WSM burned 2 million. 64,000 US dollars burned out of a market cap of 44 million. Not too impressive, the burns, right? Insert an amount you'd like to burn for every one WSM you burn. They burn also WSM. Okay. Yeah, real degenerate meme mechanics, right? I mean, one single person can put this website together. Not you can stake it also to gain something. So overall, it has nice meme coin mechanics. So let's check out the Twitter as the last one and then move on to the next one. But I kind of like this. Maybe we should put one of the meme coins to up to a vote today, right? Let's see. Are they posting? Yeah, they have posted 5. How many followers do they have? 300,000. So they have already joined October 29, 2019, right? But they are not around with the token. So seems like that. Yeah, so that feeling. Me on Christmas. Okay, so they're posting memes, which is fine, right? And they have a token. And they advertise the token here in the pinned chart. So why not? Let's follow them, right? Let's follow them and let's put them on the watch list. Let's put them on the watch list. And I will also let's see, text. I will also build on the side here where you don't see it at the moment, so that it doesn't get on your nerves, a short list. So I really like that. So for now, WSM is going to be a degenerate meme coin. Why not? Okay, so let's go to the next one. Yeah, LT didn't make the list because they are not posting it. It's had a release, pump, retrace, accumulation. That was what Russ said about it. So let's see. APX, Astro PPX. Last time it was already called for. We can see how it did. APX. Okay. It pumped. Yeah. Today. It pumped today a little bit. It's a little bit up on the month, to be honest. So it has a lot of zeros. It has a $5 million market cap. And is it available on any exchange now? Not really. I mean, Uniswap and so on, X Markets, Probit. It has $5 million. It's not around, and the supply is 100% in game, so it's fine, right? Last time we did not check out the Twitter, so let's check out the Twitter for Astro PP. Oh, we did. It did post APX or Rect. Okay. Okay. Why not? I mean, last time we didn't really include that. Metrics on AVAX have been skyrocketing. It seems like a good time to throw AI in the mix. Now, using AI, anyone can deploy to a token. Oh yeah, I remember. You said so. This token is completely built by AI. That was the reason why I didn't include it into the list. They say it's completely built by AI. Okay. Hey, Astro PPX. I know you're shilling it. I know. Yeah. Okay. I will include it in the list. It's up 53% in a month. Yeah, okay. I understand. We want a meme coin. This one has been completely built by AI apparently, so I will include it. It's on the watch list now, okay? Let me include, actually, because WSM, why not also APX? Let's put it on the short list and we will see what other good picks are coming around, right? It's absolutely degenerate, so therefore, yeah. Therefore it is. Is live real? Okay. Don't hate the player, hate the game, right? Omi, it's better not expect anything for Omi. Horrible since 2021. Better not have any expectations. Then you will be surprised if it actually something comes forward, right? Ethan Mascarenhas says, "Patient, could you please tell us a bit more about slippage and how you deal with it when you buy these coins that are not on CEX?" Actually, I am reluctant to buy coins which are not on CEX. So the reason for that is that CEX is super easy to buy. Yeah. And if you want to buy small amounts of something, and usually you don't want to buy the big amounts if you do not have big money, right? So for example, let's say you decide to buy a meme coin that has not taken off yet, and you have overall $2,000. Would you really allocate $1,000 and pay 50 Ethereum fee, for example, right? On a CEX, you have like, I don't know, your fees are like, well, actually, on $1,000, I mean, the thing is, with $1,000, it's fine, right? You buy on Uniswap with ETH fees, you buy for $50, that's still a 5% fee, right? On a CEX, you have 3% or so total if you upload fiat, right? It depends. If you have stable coins in your MetaMask and so on, or Polygon, you can swap, right? Fine. But if you have very small money, a CEX is usually the better choice, and then a degenerate one even more, right? Not to say that you should do that. Just my opinion, right? It's definitely a meme, but they have over 1 million followers on a multiple platforms. So that was WSM, right? It's fairly new, yeah. Buy other and new cryptos. You will do much better than Omi, says MVE, for sure. Smarty Pants says up 17% right now. Smarty Pants, which one? Nico says huge community, understood. Ethan says, okay, that you repeated, okay, I understand. Got a new couple of memes in my portfolio today. Grot, Elon Musk shill, and MOG next chip. Good prices now. So let's check them out. Today is apparently the meme coin day. I wonder why, when the narrative is all on meme coin, right? So let's check out Grot. Okay. Damn, that doesn't. What's the name of Grot? Is it Elon Musk shill? Elon Musk. I think that's not even on CoinMarketCap. Maybe it's on CoinGecko. Let me check if it's on CoinGecko. Grot. Oops. Grot B. That's probably not the one. Oh, it's Grok. Okay, yeah. Okay, then yeah. Okay. Grok I heard about. Yeah, Grok. There are many Groks. Which one is the right one is the question. Which one is the right one? Let's see. So this is the first one. This is from 13th of November. It's on a lot of exchanges, even though it only came out just now and it has a $0 market cap. What? Is that really, or it's not calculated, I think. No data available. Is it that? That's the question. Let's see. Grok. Let's see the other Grok. Or is it that one? That one is on Pancake Swap and it's also a couple of exchanges. Oh, that's a BSC. That's on buy. What is that? It's at least on OKX ordinals. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is really risky, right? So when you buy tokens, you need to be careful that you don't buy like a copy of that token. Which is why I think that this is the right one. Let's see the website. Okay, account. That's like huge red flag, not happening. So that's not the one, right? That's not the one. Okay, and you see how difficult it is, right? So maybe Russ, you can help, but I really have a hard time to find the right Grok. MOG next chip. Let's see. Wes says Omi is a blue chip crypto. Okay. Yeah, but Omi is too big for this portfolio already, probably. Probably it's that one. Mock coin. That's around since August. It is on exchanges, on a couple of them. Let's see the website. Is it that one? That looks horrible. That website is like real cancer to my eyes. That looks super. They even didn't change the logo to Twitter, from Twitter to X. I mean, Oh my god, okay. And they also didn't update their I think all their exchanges if I'm not mistaken. So if it's this one, I'm not quite sure, right? I'm not sure about this one. I'm not sure about this one. What other coins do we need to look at, right? I'm for sure I missed some. Let me see a little bit above. Oh, opinion about Hello Labs. Let's see at Hello Labs. Yeah, so this is Mog. I think it's Mog. Correct me if I'm wrong, Russ. But yeah, it's really hard to find these. Oh yeah, by the way, one of those coins is Cork Inu. Jesus, these names. It already is it already has started going crazy after Bonk did the last run. It has $100 million market cap, fully diluted 110. But that's not what I was looking for. Hello Labs. Okay, that is easier to find. Let's look at it. Under 100 million. Okay. Let's see. It has pumped quite a bit. So it is up from. So here in the bear market, or when it came out, it was like. It was really low. It was 004, and now it's at one. Like it has eaten 2 zeros. So it's huge compared to where it was. So yeah, that is so. Hello Labs is it on exchanges already? Yeah, it's on Gateway, Bitmart, and so on. So let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. What's the narrative? About Hello Labs. Okay, hello. We are revolutionizing entertainment. Hello Labs is the future of crypto and entertainment, a Web3 ecosystem built around producing, incubating, and distributing exclusive TV shows and games. So like a something like a fusion of Netflix and Steam. Our debut show is Killer Whales, a business reality series in the mold of Shark Tank. Watch the trailer here. Hello Token is at the center of Hello Labs ecosystem, providing users with a convenient and efficient way to access all of our products and services. As a utility token, Hello is designed to facilitate transactions with Hello Labs ecosystem. By using Hello, users can watch the shows, play the games. So it's basically a launchpad for games and shows. Now there's one thing that I already can say to that, right? There's already one thing that I can say to that is that usually, guys, you remember when you want to order pizza or sushi, do you go to that like Indian or Arabian guy on the corner that offers sushi pizza, I don't know what, all at the same time? Or do you go to the specialist, like to an Italian restaurant or a sushi restaurant or an Indian super like renowned market, right? Where do you go to? So these guys are a launchpad for games and TV shows, two completely different things, right? With completely different audiences. There are gamers and there are couch potatoes. And yes, gamers are watching stuff on the side, I understand. They're also watching Netflix, but there is one specific audience. And that is where I say stick to your audience. And they are doing two things at the same time, which I do not like as much. Doesn't mean that it cannot go good or that they shut down one part and then they are going with the other part, which worked, right? Yeah, so this is my take on Hello. Let's see the website of the Hello Labs. This is good. That looks pretty good from the first 30 seconds, which is when you form an opinion. That looks pretty good. That looks good. The website is really well made. It's clean. It has a lot of things going on for all the TikTok disturbed youth, right? So a cut scene every 2 seconds is definitely what you need today. And then there is Killer Whales, which is including all the the faces of a lot of the guy from Crypto Banter, the guy from one of the twins from what is it? Altcoin Daily and Wendy O and so on. Okay, why not? Sounds okay. Sounds okay. The question is it from them? Is it by them? Is there anything about the team? Maybe. Uh, hello us. Okay. Hello. Okay, where's the team? Our team. Okay, there we go. So the team is. So the team is fully doxed. That's also pretty good. So this is something that you always want to check besides meme coins, right? But if you have a real project that wants a narrative and so on, is so first of all, you don't want to have like degenerate chillers from other YouTube channels. Like if there was my face on a coin and I say, "No, trust me, it's really good," right? Beware, okay? But sounds okay, right? We can even check out their LinkedIn's here. So everyone has their LinkedIn profile. This guy only Instagram. I don't know what is wrong with you, Cordell, but LinkedIn will leave you more serious. On the other hand, do you really need it if everyone else has it? I don't know. Or do you have something to hide? Anyways, they also have a news page, which is good because you can follow the news. So overall, it's pretty good. Let's put it on the wait list, on the watch list, and put it on the short list. Why not? Let's put it on the short list. Hello token. Okay, next one. Next one. And then I think a lot of people's messages actually gets deleted by my chat tool. You have to write the full name, because if you write the ticker, it deletes your comments, right? So I didn't say that early enough, but now I see it. Look at that. For example, someone says to look at Miro, that was deleted. A lot of comments were deleted. Grok Girl did well already, okay. Patient, few months ago, you were tracking whales buying dollar OMI tokens in the background, just a day or two before the OMI staking announcement. Do you still track such moments for unusual activities? When I see I still look at the OMI watcher, so the transactions, I still look at if there's a significant volume and pumps, but so far I didn't see anything super significant, right? But I think, why not? Who said that, by the way? Itman Mascarenas. Okay. I will go back. If you are interested in this, I will go back in my normal video content. Okay, let's do 2 to 3 more before we are putting it up for a vote. And show me your coins right now, because if not, we're not buying anything that is not on the list. So then, forget it, right? Toncoin was on the last stream already. So let's see. So Myro was the next one. Let's look at Myro. Okay, that was the wrong thing. I didn't want to go here. Where is my portfolio? So there's the portfolio. Miro. Okay, Miro was here also last time. You said it's on the Solana ecosystem. It has a $24 million market cap. It has 94% circulation, which is really good. Let's see the price. The price, it has retraced quite a bit, as we can see here. It is on a lot of exchanges, Huobi and so on. It's on Ascendex, it's on Bitmart. Miro token. So let's look at the website right away. Oh yeah, that's the thing with the dog. You have shilled that last time, I remember. Or it was you or someone else. Something like that. Yeah. You have shilled that. Okay. I remember. Miro the dog. Named after the co-founder Gokul's dog Miro. And is the co-founder of Solana, right? Is that correct? So it's in Solana ecosystem. So some people are saying bye Miro. So how long is this already here? So this is 002. So it's still up 10x from the bottom. Um, it has gone to, yeah, it has corrected more than 50% already. And I mean, to be honest, shitcoin roulette is going on at the moment. Let's see how the Twitter of this looks. Can it attract more people? It has 22,000 followers only, which doesn't look really good. It has posted something. $1,000 Miro giveaway. 20 people with a Miro SNS. Okay, okay, it's posting. They are posting. I just claimed. Okay. My God, the AI art on this dog. This is so degenerate, guys. This is way too degenerate. This is so no, 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 no. So it's like it's only like Miro will onboard millions without anything. Like, is there even a roadmap or something like that? Is there a white paper? There is no white paper. There's a Telegram group. Um, yeah, be very, very careful. But yes, I put it on the watch list just to see how it does. I'm not going to include that in our list though. Why? Actually, why not? I mean, we have so many degen coins already. Let's put it on the short list and see what we cut out in the end. Okay, next one. DFinder Capital, DFC on Toncoin. Oh, it's on Toncoin. Okay, DFC. Let's check this out. DFinder Capital. Wow. Okay. So it's built on Toncoin. It has almost no liquidity at all. It's super small. It has the big red flag here is this one. It has only 3.87% circulating supply. The fully diluted market cap would be at 36 million, which is not. I mean, it's not shabby, right? But it's still. Where can I buy it? On Maxi. Okay, fine. I can buy it on an exchange. How did it do? It came out literally 3 days ago. It has a $1.5 million market cap. Let's see what it does, because I mean that's exactly the picks that we need to do 100x, right? But let's see. The main idea and task of DF Capital is to become the #1 community in Ton, to create a synergy effect within it through popularization and filing missing niches, services, and products. On top of Ton blockchain, the team launches DFC token, which will socially connect all. So it's sociify, right? All participants in this crypto sector into something more integral. Several Ton and market services are already created to demonstrate our capabilities and approach, as well as to continue recruiting and training the community. The DFC token is the basis for uniting people through the DAO, the connecting link. Okay, so it's basically their governance token, right? If I understand this correctly. So yeah, I don't know. Let's check out. So what do they have for this one? It's on it's a website, DFC Capital. So website has a nice metaverse AI purple look. Okay, that's good. It has a D that reminds of Doge, which is not too bad. DFC DAO Alliance. So it's a governance token. I mean, can they do well? Obviously, white paper. Okay, there is no any complex white paper here in principle. This is a fan token. Oh, it's a fan token, not even a governance token. Okay, of virtual DF Capital holding community with open functionality. No any guarantee value. No any. Is that? I mean, is that proper English? I cannot judge, right? But it seems that the intern has written this, right? So no, I take that back. I don't think this will do well, to be honest. Technically, it's an analog of Fancoin and DAO mixed properties. Okay, but it's no guarantee. Yeah, no guarantee for value, because then it would be a security, right? Economically, this is an asset with zero declared value, freely wrapped in the crypto market and existing only within the virtual reality of DAO. If you speculate with it, trying to make money, you do it under your full responsibility. Okay, so it's basically a disclaimer, right? Okay. DSC is okay. Yeah, so nice. How is the distribution? We can see it here. Hey, they're really transparent, so that is fine, right? But I mean, a lot of, yeah, it's super degen. I mean, I'll put it on the short list just for degen's sake. So DFC token. Okay, so yeah, that's basically, but that's how you do it, right? If so here's a general thing for us to identify altcoins. We could, we're basically, we're checking out the market cap, how much we get diluted, and so on. We're looking at website on their Twitter. We didn't check out the Twitter of the DAO or of the fan token, right? They have 11,000 people following them. That's not too bad, but yeah, it's a fan token, right? So they don't post regularly, which I don't like. I mean, it's 7th and then the 10th and then the 12th and then nothing since 5 days, right? So that's really something I don't like. If there would be really something going on it, because it's supposed to be a fan token. So a fan token is supposed to have fans, right? And this fan token doesn't have fans. It has only 11,000 followers and puts out a tweet every 5 days. So that cannot go well, in my opinion. So no, I'm going to delete it from the shortlist because of that. And this is really like, Twitter is important. It's super important because all the degenerate crypto people are running around Twitter. So it's super important, right? Yeah, so not going to include that into the list, right? If they had a Twitter that was going, okay, fine. I would include that. So let me see. Then someone says Bojack, right? And I know Randy is shilling Bojack into oblivion. He is on the advisor team or something like that. Nothing against that. Everything fine. You can have Bojack, and yeah, I mean, his good right to shill this coin, right? So let's look at it. I mean, it's requested. We can look at it. I'm not even going to put this shit coin here to the watch list. I'm not going. I refuse to. Why? Because it's just, yeah. So okay, so let's look at Bojack. Is that even on CoinMarketCap? No, it's not. Oh, that was, or is it? I misspelled. It is Bojack. Okay, so let's do a fair analysis of how this looks, right? Okay, so yeah, there's no market cap. It's built on Binance chain. Okay, fine. There is 1.2 billion Bojacks, 100% circulation, self-reported. We will see. There's not even a chart for this thing. And how do I buy this? It's not reported. So the problem with this is that if there is a team or if there's someone developing, you want to put your data into CoinMarketCap. Yeah, they didn't. So this for me screams red flag shitcoin. Okay, because there's, okay, and on the about is Bojack as a community-driven meme token on the Binance Smart Chain. So now remember we said in the beginning that meme tokens are doing well if the underlying L1 is doing well. Not the case for BNB. In fact, BNB has been doing pretty, yeah, not really good, right? So we want an L1 under this to do well. So if there is a meme coin on Solana, which is Bonk, a lot of eyes on that, right? Solana community is perfect for meme coin. Avalanche also fine, right? Coquino super. So Bojack is one of the most recognizable horses out there, and his story helps many people with their own problems. Bojack has 0% tax fee on every transaction, making it accessible for everyone. How? How do you get this, right? CoinGecko has a chart info on Bojack. Hard pass. Okay. CoinGecko. Let's check it out. Bojack. Oh yeah, it has a horse head. Okay. If it was only the horse head, like the funny one where you where you wear this mask, right? Let's see the chart. Yeah, I mean, the chart is from 27th of November, not too much data here. But yeah, it doesn't look good for sure. It doesn't look good for sure. I don't like this at all. And this is not because people like or dislike the picks that Randy has. Absolutely not. We can look at that. I mean, we can look at Grumpy Cat if someone asks for it and stuff like that. That's what Randy's shilling. So let's look at the website from Bojack. Yeah. I mean, what the fuck? You can get a contract address. Oh my god. How do I get this contract address? The contract address is not here. Missed gains. Everyone's been buzzing about how Pepe made millionaires overnight. But don't worry, folks. And this is written here, guys. Please don't quote this, right? Don't worry, folks. Disclaimer. Our favorite self-loathing horse is back earlier than expected for brand new season. Get ready to saddle up and join. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Get ready to get wrecked. Okay. You see what I mean? I mean, it's kind of funny, right? But then again, it's not. Partners and advisors. Dex View. Yeah, is it on OKX though? That's really Max C, CoinGecko. Yeah, no, and CoinMarket. Look at this. Here's written CoinMarketCap, but yet you don't have information in CoinMarketCap, right? Okay. Anyways, let's continue. Yeah, let's continue. Enough Bojack. 60%. Yeah, enough with that. It's not going on my watch list. Definitely not. Ethan Mascarenia says, patient, honestly, thank you so much. It's refreshing to see your objectivity, and that's why I and a lot of people value your perspective in the OMI community. You keep it real. Thank you so much for that feedback. That is the feedback that gets me going, that keeps me going. And yeah, I hope I can bring value to the people that are in here and that we make tremendous gains. It is almost time, guys, to look at one more coin, and then let's take one more from JP Trees, and let's look which one sounds the best. Let me see what he said. Magic Verse on ORB. Magnum Trade. By the way, let me just see if I missed something that they deleted. I can only see a part of the chat. Kabozu on Soul. Okay, that was all from him. Okay, fine. Let's take one of those. And then we vote on what we're buying. Talus and chill your coins, because it will decide what we're taking on the short list in the end. So Magicverse, Magnum Trading, Thales Protocol, Kabozu, or MMA Meme Coin Alliance. Let's see. Okay, so let's take Magicverse out of all those picks. Where is my sidebar there? Magicverse ORB. Let's look at that. Okay. 500,000, $500,000 market cap. My god, JP Trees has the most degenerate picks of all time. But let's look at it. It's available on SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, QuickSwap, VVS Finance, OpenOcean, and Frei Exchange. Okay. Fully diluted 1.1 million. Okay, sounds about right. 50% in circulation, not too bad. It's on Polygon, which is also not bad because you will have way less fees when you buy it. I think so. Is there a direct Polygon swap pair? I don't. Okay, maybe not. I don't know. I take that back. But it's on Polygon, which is not too bad actually. It has a white paper listed, GitHub listed, website listed, X, Discord, and Telegram. Very good signs. Let's look at X directly. Magic Verse, multi-chain crypto project, utilities, NFTs, yield farming, and P2E. Orb live on Polygon, BSC Kronos, Arbitrum, and Ethereum. Okay. Let's see. Orb is now listed on MoonShot. One supply, 5 chains, unlimited utilities. Okay. Yeah, that actually looks pretty decent. Let's look at the website. Looks pretty decent, but we don't know what it does. Okay, website kinda crappy, to be honest. Yeah, that looks like your daily horoscope or something like that. That looks like way too much text. Magic Finance, okay, so they're one more of the sorts of doing everything, right? Battle of Elements, Elemental Phoenix, and so on. The realm of endless possibilities. Okay, so let's see what is written on this one here, what they published about Magic Verse. Magic Verse is an exciting decentralized multi-chain crypto project that utilizes DeFi to provide a diverse range of functionality: staking, NFTs, yield farming, collectibles, and play-to-earn RPG game, and various other features collectively create an engaging environment offering users of a one-of-a-kind experience. Orb, the primary token of Magicverse, operates across multiple chains with a shared total supply. By the way, this year is the best reminder of you to, even if you look at more superficial on projects, to look deeper into it later, because on none of these projects we have actually received direct information what the token does, where the token value lies. Here we only see, yeah, it operates across multiple chains. Okay, beyond its financial role, Orb is essential for most of Magicverse's operations. So this is actually the first text that says something more about the token. Playing a central role. No, actually that's not true. The Hello token also said that you can buy shows and games with it. Currently, Orb is live on 5 major blockchains. Moreover, Magicverse offers a wide range of digital assets, including NFTs, each possessing unique significance and utility. From magical runes that can be staked in a farm to generate passive yield, to consumable magic shards that enhance investors' progress. Okay, we have looked at X, but I want to look at one more thing on X here, and that is they only have 843 followers. That is a problem, because if only 800 people are following them, they will not have many players. Now, they are very new and they can still do marketing and so on, but in this case, since this is a game, it's very important to check out the game before. And so if I click launch the Magic Farm, what does it say? Okay, so oh Jesus, what a trash interface. So that's it. That's the game actually. Okay, fine. I mean, yeah. I mean, that's literally, it's a magic box. Wow. Okay, that's really bad, right? I mean, who would play that? But yeah. Anyways, market. Let's look at the market. How's the market? Maybe the market is better. Okay, I have no idea. So that seems to be the coin, and then the like the token maybe, or so, or is this the token? But then it's the so yeah, no, hard pass for me, unfortunately. I mean, it could still go up tremendously because it has such a small market cap, just by people allocating money without looking at what it is. But I wouldn't bet on it. So let's see here. Okay, so that is basically it. So we'll be having for sure Degen coins today. So I will put up a vote what we're going to do for the portfolio, and let me just read Ethan's comment here first. Even though you are heavily invested in Veve and Omi, you always keep it real. even when you go on other shows like Around the Ecomiverse, please don't ever change. We love you for it. Thank you very much, Ethan. Means a lot to me. I said it. That feedback keeps me going. Trying to stay the way that I am, 100%. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, so I really appreciate that. Let me quickly go back to my shortlist. And for my shortlist, there needs to be, on this shortlist, there will be VRA because it has down and it's already in the portfolio. Oh no, let's put it more of existing coins. And then we are going to take one of these coins out. So Miro is Solana, Hello is pretty okay. Astro PPX is completely degenerate, and I don't even know if I can buy that on a normal exchange, which I thought it was not, so probably that is falling out, even though that I was tempted to buy. Let me see, APX one more time. Oh yeah, that's the AI one, really, and it is on no centralized exchange, so I will put that out for a second because we only have $50 and I really do not pay $20 or $50 gas fees. So yeah, and then we'll more of existing coins, and then yeah, so we'll put up that for a vote, these four. So let me see quickly here. Let's go in full cam. Why? And yeah, don't forget to let me know what you think about all those altcoins that we have right now, while I put up the vote for a couple of minutes. And let's talk a little bit more about the altcoin market while we do that. So let me see. Here's my channel. There must be an easier way to put up the vote, but that was myself. It's loading the chat, guys. I don't know why the chat is not loading. So I cannot even interact with my own chat with that. Yeah, so let me see, guys. Oh yeah, there we go. New option for timeouts. I don't have to time out anyone, so there we go. Let's do a poll. What do we buy with $50? With $50. Okay, and if something is even, it's going to be bought, like both of them are going to be bought. So we are having more of existing coins, which is Myria or Bump. Okay, Myria, Bump. The next one is Hello. Then we put in, what did we have? Miro and WSM. WSM. Miro. Okay, let's start the poll. Okay, the poll is up, guys. We need your votes right now for to determine what actually we're going to buy today. So a lot of people are already voting for for Hello. 50-50 with Miro. So that is going on. Yeah, so not bad at all. Now it's on par. So we need more votes here. We only have 3 votes. Everyone, please vote. Don't, even if you don't like decide. Let's decide together what goes into this portfolio here, right? So where is it? Let me open it. So this is going to be coin number 4 or one of the existing coins. So it would be that we buy. Where's the chat? The chat disappeared. Where? Oh, there it is. Yeah, because I somehow deleted the chat probably by by going into full cam mode. But you see here in this pie chart, we have Verasity, we have Myria, and we have Bump. So if you choose the first option, we are going to buy more of that, or we are going to buy one of the other degen picks. So, and it would be really sad if we have to buy something. Okay, Miro is actually Miro is actually leading. Oh my god! So we're going to buy Miro. Is that real? Are we going to buy Miro? Really? Oh my god. 8 votes. We have 30 people here, so there must be more votes, right? Yeah. Hey MVE, what's going on? I've seen your messages. Yeah. Guys, more votes, please. We have only 8 votes. I know that you're somewhere on your phone. Oh, like go to your chat or whatever. Like even if you are on smart TV, go out of full screen mode and vote for the coin. It's important. We are about to buy Miro the dog, yeah, on Solana. But that could be good, right? I mean, it's on Solana. Why not? Yeah. It has corrected 50%. Maybe there is another meme coin rally coming up, or we're getting completely wrecked. Miro on Solana. Okay. I see. We'll give it 20. Yeah, we'll give it one more minute to vote, right? I'm not saying that I don't want to. I will buy that for sure with my own money because you guys said it. And maybe it goes absolutely degenerate crazy, and then I will be very, very happy. Who knows? Or we are completely getting wrecked, right? I mean, it can happen. So by the way, I just received a message from God's Entry. We're talking about having a stream together, so that will be good. Maybe we can still get this done in the next couple of days. Okay, so I'm going to close this poll, and the decision has fallen, guys. We are buying Miro with 37%, Miro 1 over more of the existing coins with 25%, Hello with 25%, and WSM. Although I really have to say, guys, I really like the picks that we have today because Hello was completely unknown to me. I really like that from what I've seen. WSM was funny as hell. I'm going to check that out. And more of existing coins. Yeah, we're going to buy more of that for sure in the future. Let me see what we have got ourselves into. We are buying this dog's coin, apparently, with $50. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Now, yeah, this is our portfolio. I wanted to see once more what our decision is looking like in terms of. So it is a $20 million market. I mean, there are $20 million in this, right? So this is what you guys have decided. It's number 716 coin on Solana. Solana is on hype right now. It is correcting as hell. Why not? It has lost that support, so it's coming down to this support probably. Let's also see what the chat here says of these guys. If I can scroll down on that. So everyone is bearish on that thing. Drop minus 34% in the last 7 days. Terrible. It's going down step by step. Well. We will see, right? Yeah. Let's check the X account again. Yeah, you guys are crazy, right? But I wouldn't have bought that, but probably that's the way to go, right? Miro PA feels like Link in summer 2021. This is chat saying 35 minutes ago. I just oh my god. Nice, love the approach enhancing the community. What is that? A big milestone has been opened for Miro. You can now go this site and purchase your personal Miro SNS domain and assign it to your wallet using the site below. You can become a .miro apparently now. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. Bullish. Oh my god. You see like how the space is doing, right? So, guys, if this thing is to zero, right? I mean, we for sure, since we have these degen picks right now, we need an exit strategy for that, for sure. So next stream, probably during the week, we are going to do the next stream, because the next Sunday is right around Christmas. I will not be here. So we are going to discuss some exit strategy next stream, right? So for sure, for something like Miro, if this doubles, triples, quadruples, or something like that, we want to take our initial investment actually out. But so far so good. Our portfolio will get Miro in it. I will buy it after the stream. Now, guys, that is, I thank you very much. Also, my rare hodlers that are up here, down here, everywhere. Thank you so much for checking it out. Yeah, this stream is exactly for coin discovery, and as you know, 3 picks for you, 1 pick for me. I lost, it's Miro. It was a lot of fun. Thank you, JP Trees and Ethan and MVE, Big A, the Mexica, Russ Gould, Far, and Nico, and so on, for joining today, and everyone else who has silently been playing the game here, everyone who has voted on these altcoins. And guys, we will see if the community portfolio can outperform. Now, make sure to smash up the like button one more time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to tick the little bell to always get notified. I hope you found value here. And wherever you are on the world, have yourselves a great morning, evening, day, night, or afternoon. And I see you in the next live stream, which is tomorrow.